Welcome to the American Brain Tumor Association Study Finder. This tutorial video will guide you step by step through the process of searching for, filtering, and enrolling in brain tumor clinical trials that may be right for you or your loved one. Let's get you started with a search. Navigate to the search bar and type your condition, treatment, or keywords related to your health concerns. For example, I'll type brain tumor, then click on the search button. Your search results will appear here, showing the best matches for the keywords you entered. The Study Finder page is designed with simplicity in mind. You'll notice several filter tools on the left of your results that make refining your search even more intuitive. Start by refining your search with the medical condition filter. As you type your condition, a list of matching suggestions will appear. Select your exact condition from this list to get more relevant results. If you want to focus on studies in a certain area, enter your state or province in the location filter. We're working to add support for searching by cities and countries soon, so you'll have even more ways to find studies nearest to you. Select your location from the suggested locations. You can also choose the type of study you're interested in. For example, interventional studies that test new treatments, or observational studies that monitor participants in real-world settings. If you're not sure what these categories mean, just hover over the information icons next to each filter category for helpful explanations about each category. The study status filter lets you quickly see which studies are currently accepting new participants and which are not. This helps you focus on studies you can join right now. You can also filter your results by sex, or narrow your search by age group, and further refine by study phase, helping you find studies that best match your personal profile and research needs. Once you've made your selections, click Apply Filters to update your list of studies. If you want to start over, click Clear Filters to see all available studies again. After applying filters, review your updated search results. Each listing includes the study title, required age range for enrollment, the medical condition covered, and a simplification status labeled as AI Simplified. AI Simplified means that the clinical trial information has been made easier to read, helping patients or caregivers quickly understand the requirements for enrollment. You might also see AI Simplified Plus, which means a healthcare expert has further reviewed and clarified the language, making the study even more accessible and understandable for patients and caregivers. When you find a study that interests you, click on it to see the full details. On the Study Details page, you'll notice several tabs. The Study Information tab, which includes a simplified summary and detailed eligibility criteria. What is Being Done tab, outlining the procedures or treatments involved in the study. And the Sites tab, showing the locations where the study is being conducted and listing the principal investigators. Once you've finished reviewing all the requirements, click the I'm Interested button to request more information about participating. A pop-up will appear prompting you to continue your request. Click Continue to be redirected to the study request page, where you can provide your details and request more information about participating in the study. And Study Request page will open in a new tab. If the clinical trial you selected is offered at multiple locations, you can click the Add More button. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to select the sites that are most convenient for you. In the Your Message section, add any questions or details about your situation that might help the healthcare expert processing your request assist you better. If you have not signed up yet, you will be asked to sign up. You can sign up by entering your email or logging in with your Gmail or Facebook account. Signing up is important because it allows us to follow up on your request and lets you view updates and track the status of your request. Once you're logged in, click on Submit Request. After submitting, a confirmation pop-up will appear, letting you know that your request has been received. You'll also receive a confirmation email with the next steps. You can click View Status on the pop-up to check updates on your request. Our team will contact you within 1 to 2 business days regarding your request. Rest assured, your privacy is protected. Your information is only shared with research teams you choose to contact, and never with anyone else. Thank you for watching this American Brain Tumor Association Study Finder tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please reach out to our support team. We're here to help. We wish you the best on your search for clinical trials.